Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And we have a very special guest here today. I'd like to introduce you all to Makwa, the bear. Ikaton BOOZHOO, Makwa. Say hello, bear. Well, let me just say thank you for having me on your show, sir. I'm a big fan. I watch all the time. I do. I really do. I love the BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast. I surely do. It's a real honor to be here. Well, you know what? It's a real honor to have you here. So let me ask you something, Makwa. I understand that the Bear Clan are the protectors. Can you talk about that a little bit? Well, I'd be honored to. All right, so here's the deal. We're the protectors. They call us the protectors of the Anishinaabe. We patrol the perimeters and watch for danger and that. The Bear Clan, Makwa NINDOODEM, and on occasion, I suppose it is true that we will go through your garbage. But just because it says it's expired don't mean it ain't still good. That's all I'm saying. All right. Okay. Well, if you say so. Well, all right. Well, there you have it. Makwa, bear. And if you're a Bear Clan, you say Makwa NINDOODEM, Doodem clan. And all right. Well, yeah, it's really nice to meet you, Makwa. Welcome to the show. And I guess we'll be seeing you around. Well, I'm usually sleeping this time of year. Maybe it's time I go back to bed. I don't think it's spring just yet. Thank you for having me on your show. That's right. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Makwa. And that over there is Natasha. And then over there the boys, Anamosh and Benjamin. And of course, Paul Stanley. Alright, well thank you for watching. And I will see you again. GIGAWABAMIN. MINAWAA. Oh, How you boys doing? Bear Clan also knows everything about which plants you can use, which we know about the medicines and that. I mean, Bear Clan, we're we're proud people. How was that?
Oh, that was really good.